Class, can you hear me clearly? Yes. So, um, wait, there are some more entering the class. Okay, so good morning, class. How are you today? Good? Yes,
Yes.
yes. Now, we are on the second quarter already of mathematics. So, as what I'm telling you last time, first quarter is all about fractions, and then second quarter is all about decimals. Okay, so this is a new thing, but later you'll find out that fraction and decimal actually are not different. They maybe have like they might have different names, but they have same value. So you'll learn later. By the way, class, you need to open your camera or else I will mark you absent. But okay, consideration. If you think it's affecting the connection, you may inform me. Okay, please inform me and through personal message. But if the connection naman is okay, please open your camera. This will serve as your attendance. Because if you in a face-to-face setup, 'di ba lagi naman talagang nakikita yun natin yung isa't isa. It's hard to speak if um you don't know if you are really talking to someone kasi they are there or possible naka-open lang yung camera, ay naka-close yung camera but then wala. Busy of doing something. Okay? That is why you need to keep your camera on for the entire class. All right? Now, so to begin, let us, of course, ask the guidance of our Lord through prayer, through this prayer, morning prayer.
Good morning, Lord. Today's a new day. A chance for a new start. Yesterday is gone. And with it, any regrets, mistakes, or failures I may have experienced. It's a good day to be glad and give thanks. And I do, Lord. Thank you for today. A new opportunity to love, give, and be all that you want me to be. Today I want to start the day with you on my mind and in my heart. As I dress, let me wear the armor you've provided daily, the helmet of salvation, the breastplate of righteousness, the shield of faith, the belt of truth, the shoes of peace, and the sword of the Spirit, with prayer on my tongue, praise for you, and petitions for those around me and those I meet. Feed me today with your daily bread, as the bread of life. Your food, like manna, will sustain me throughout any trials and hungers. Help me to set my thoughts on things above, and to speak only what will help and encourage others. Keep me from putting my foot in my mouth, and help me guard the affections of my heart today, Lord. Make whatever work I do be marked with excellence rather than perfectionism. As I seek not to make a name, but to make a difference. Help me to treat each person I encounter as you would, with respect and love, forgiving others and asking for forgiveness myself when needed. As I start this day, help me remember that I belong to you, and my desire is to act accordingly. Keep my feet from stumbling, and my mind from wandering into distractions that could steal precious time and energy from the most important things you have designed for me. I'm proud to be your child, Lord. And I'm so grateful that you died for me, rising again so that every day could be filled with the wonder of your love. the freedom of your spirit, and the joy of knowing you. I know earthly life is short and fleeting, Lord. But I want to live today, as if it were the first or the last day of my life. Giving thanks for every good and perfect gift you choose to give, today, and every day. I want to live my life for you, Jesus. In your precious name, I pray. Amen.
Okay, that's right. So to begin with our discussion, will you please get some, get a ruler rather? Do you have? Okay, a ruler. And okay, let's see. Will you please try to measure the length of your book notebook? I mean the length of your book. Mark for life. Okay. Let's see. Will you please measure it? Are you done? Okay, try to measure the length of your book right here. Okay, done. So, and let me see. What is the measurement? And what is the measurement of the book? Or I mean the length of the book? So I think some of your classmates are having some hard time connecting. Anyway, so we need to maximize the 1 hour so that kapag babalikan nyo yung lesson, mapapanood nyo lang sa in an hour. Kasi pag lumalagpas, sobrang tagal. Some of your classmates kailangan panoorin ng buo pa. Alright, so done. What is a measurement? Anyone? Yes, Jester?
270 centimeters.
270 centimeter. Okay. So you are using centimeter. Okay, but if you notice, okay, I want you to examine closely your ruler. I believe that most of you also, measure the same measurement because you are using only the same materials, right? But I want you to look closely. Yes, please look at it, your own ruler, and look at the number or the calibrations. It is what? Yes, it is in centimeter. And what else? Aliyah? Inches, yes, that is correct. Now, why I am asking you to use your ruler? Because to understand decimals, we need to use something that is available around us. Okay? How are we going to understand it? I mean, how are we going to understand decimal by using the ruler? So I'm going to explain through this way. Okay? Actually, class, not only rulers. If you are like trying to go to the market and, trying to buy something and the seller is like using a weighing scale, you can actually apply decimals right in that situation. So let's take a look how it go. Okay, so look at this one. There you have it. So decimals. So the number that you're seeing in front of you is Yeah, an example of a decimal number. Okay? Of course, when you talk about decimal, there is a point. And there are two group of numbers, one from the left and one from the right. Okay? So, again, one number from the right, one number in the left, a point, and numbers, or a number, pwedeng isa lang class, pwedeng three decimal place, I mean, three places, can be 2, 3, and so on. Basta ang mahalaga, may numbers na nakikita sa left, there's a point, and there are numbers on the right side. Okay? If that's the case, we are dealing with decimals. Okay, now, I'm asking you to use a ruler. Why? If you observe, yes, there are calibrations there in centimeter and in inches. So definitely in centimeter, we have this one, the smaller one, yung nasa top part ng ruler. Well, the inch part is below, right? Now, if you notice, there are some 1/2, 1/4, 3/4, something. And between 0 to 1, there are still calibrations. It means there are possibilities that there are things or there are materials that are like the measurement are like lesser than 1 or in between 1 and 2. It can be 1.5, 1.6 or whatsoever. So by understanding that way, so it's easy for us to say that decimal really exists. Okay? So another example is when you are measuring your height in meters. Sige nga, who can recall his or her height in meters? Sino nakakaalala ng height niya nung di ba when we were in like, when you were rather, last year, di ba si Ma'am Babes, mini-measure yung height ninyo in meters? Who can still remember? Pero I believe dumagdag na yung height ninyo ngayon. Pero last time, ano yung height ninyo? Sige nga, si Abam, naalala mo Abam yung ano, this is to remember your height in meters. What is that, Abam? Can you still remember? Yung measurement mo, I mean yung height. Yes, Hershey Ann, ano yung, can you still remember?
145 meters po.
Okay. Actually, that is 1 and 1.45 meters because we are dealing with meters. Kasi ang isang haba, kung naalala niyo yung mahabang yon, that is 1 meter, right? Okay. So, ibig sabihin, isang habang ganon, isang mahabang meter stick, at saka 45. So, that is 1.45. Okay. Meters. Okay. Now, let's go back there. Okay. So there are calibrations. It means between 0 to 1, there are like numbers. And then that's decimal. 1 and 2 the same. And same thing with this scale. Di ba hindi naman lagi na when you are weighing something, exactly 1, exactly 2, exactly 3, or 5, or 10. There are times na I mean, when you are like buying something, sasabihin nung nagbebenta, ay, lumabis sa 1 kilo o dadagdagan mo na lang yung bayad. Okay? So it means you go over 1, so that is over 1 but less than 2. And that is decimal. You get it? So it means decimals are what? Really existing. We can see that all around us. Most probably when you are buying something sa groceries, kung titingnan nyo class yung mga resibo, wala namang most of the goods or products na binibili ninyo, walang eksaktong halaga. Laging may 0.85, 0.25, and so on. Okay? And that is decimals. Now, fraction in decimals are like, yes, with different names, but actually same value. How? So you need to listen carefully because I'm going to explain why they are similar. Okay. If you still remember last time when I'm discussing about fraction, we begin with a whole number. Kung naalala nyo, ang in-example ko nun is a pizza, a circle. But this time, I'm going to use a square. Anyway, that's the same. That's one whole. Isang bilog, one whole. One square is a whole also. You get it? So one whole or simply one. So when you see a figure na walang mga parts or walang division, that is one. Did you get it? Now, what if, yes, we put parts. So how many parts are there? Will you please count it? How many parts are there? Anyone? Jaisley, how many parts?
10.
Yes, there are 10 parts. Okay, so we will understand fraction and decimal in this way. Okay, 10 parts. What if I put some shade on the one part of the figure? Okay, for example, chocolate bar yan. Example lang ha, meron siyang 10 part, so kinain mo na yung isa. Okay, so how we're going to present that in fraction? What is that in fraction? Anyone, if you still remember? Amer?
1/10 po.
Okay, that is 1/10. Okay, hindi mo natin nalagyan ng S kasi that is 1. Pag nagkaroon na siya ng nag-2 na siya or 3 or 4, saka natin lalagyan. Okay, that is 1/10. That's correct, Amer. Now, how about in decimal? How are we going to express that? Okay, that is 1/10. The same. Kung paano siya binasa sa fraction, ganun din siya class babasahin sa decimal. Okay? You get it? Why? This fraction or this decimal below, yung 0.1, denoting that is, nagde-denote sa class na nasa in-between saan siya, 1 to 10. So, yung 0.1 that is 1 out of 10. Ibig sabihin, nasa gitna siya ng 1, papunta sa 10. Did you get it? Kaya isusulat mo siya ng 0.1. So, pareho lang siya nung 1 over 10. Ang 0.1 or 1/10. Same lang kung paano basahin. Did you get it? Now, how about this one? We have 4 parts shaded. So, what is now the fraction? Anyone? Yes, Diana?
4/10.
Okay, now we will put S. 4/10. Kasi plural na siya. Okay, more than 2 na siya. So, 4/10. Okay? So, that is 4 over 10 or 4/10. And in decimal, same, you're going to write that 0.4. Or that is same, 4/10. It means, kaya isa lang class yung decimal place niya kasi nasa gitna siya ng 1 to 10. Okay? Ibig sabihin, kung sa calibration ng ruler, titingnan natin, balikan natin yung ruler dito. So, di ba, from 0 to 10, 0 to 1 rather, kung let's say ito yung 10, nandun ka sa pang-apat. Okay? So, that's what we mean by that. So, that is 4/10 or 0.4. Okay? But in decimal class, we are going to deal not only with 10 equal parts. Dito class, lahat ng powers of 10 gagamitin natin. So yung susunod sa 10, na powers of 10 is 100 parts. Okay? Sa paano yung 20 parts? Soon, malalaman nyo rin kung paano natin gagawing decimal yung 20 equal parts, 25 equal parts, 30 equal parts. There are also decimal for them. Pero dito, ang i-focus muna natin class is yung 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and so on. Lahat ng powers of 10. Ibig sabihin, lahat lang ng may 0. Did you get it? So let's proceed. 100 parts. Okay? Now, what if 1 is shaded? What is the fraction? Anyone? Yes. Okay. Aliyah?
1/100.
Okay, that is 100. Kahit wag mo nang o wag na nating ilagay, class, yung 100. Paano na lang sasabihin? 100. Wala mo ng S. 100. Hindi siya 100. Kasi kung 100, ang spelling niya, class, is H-U-N-D-R-E-D. But since you are dealing with decimal, the spelling is H-U-N-D-R-E-T-H. So that means 1 out of 100. Did you get it? So in decimal, if you notice, sir, iba na dun sa kanina. Kanina kasi is 1 decimal place lang, 0.1. Yes. Why? Because yung kanina, class, that is out of 10. Ngayon, nagkaroon siya ng 2 decimal places because that is out of 100. Kasi ang pagkakasunod-sunod dito, class, is from point going to your right, yung pinakaunang number, that is 10th. The second, that is 100. So ano yung magiging clue natin? Pag 10th, ilan ba ang 0 ng 10th? Isa lang. So dapat isa lang. So dapat isa lang din yung number. Kapag 100, dalawa na yung 0. Kaya dapat dalawa din yung decimal places. Kaya isusulat mo siya ng 0.01. So tingnan niyo yung pagkakaiba. Let's go back here. Okay. Look at the difference. Diba that is 1/10? So that is 0.1. That is 1/10. So sa hundreds, 1 over 100. That is 100 or 0.01. You get it? So in the same way, pareho lang din, class. Kapag 12 parts na siya, that is 12 over 100 or that is 12 hundredths. So that's how we read that with S because that is more than 2. 12 hundredths. Now, we are going to write that in decimal. This way, 0.12. So, 2 decimal places pa din kasi dalawang 0 ng 100. So, 12 hundredths. You get it? 12 hundredths. So, pag binasa nyo sa class yung decimal, hindi nyo sa babasahin yung 0.12. Hindi ganyan, ha? How are you going to read that? So, you're going to read that 12 hundredths. Did you get it? All right. Now, how about the other part? We are now dealing with 1,000 parts. Okay? Paano naman yung 1,000 parts? Same lang, class. Okay? Same lang yung gagamitin natin. So, i-ano ko muna, ha? Para makita ninyo. I can connect. Sabi ni Isabella. Naganapan si Isabella mag-connect. So, let's say, class, okay, kopyahin natin. So, let's proceed here. Kasi hindi ko na malagyan ng shade kasi nga, sobrang liliit na ng parts ng 1,000. But let's say, ito, gawin natin siyang this way. Okay, and then that is 1 over 1,000. So, i-shade natin yung isa doon. Okay, let me try kung kaya kong iyan. I-shade yung ano doon. Kasi liliitan ko to. Hindi kaya kasi nga sobrang lilit niya, class. So let's say isang shaded lang siya doon, ha. Ayan. Hindi na talaga kaya. Let's say 1 shaded yan. So 1 over 1,000. So how are you going to read that? So definitely, okay, copy natin muna. So you're going to read that as 1. Ayan. Ganun din, class, ang spelling. 1,000, tapos lalagyan lang ng TH. Okay, take note of the spelling. 1,000. Hindi siya 1,000. Kasi ang 1,000, class, yun yung whole number na 1,000. Kung nakakita kayo ng 1,000 peso bill, yun yung 1,000. Kaya lang, we are dealing with decimal and fraction, so we are going to read 1,000. So in decimal, class, so isusulat ko, ha. In decimal, ilan yung 0 ng 1,000? 3, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, kailangan magkakaroon din siya ng 3 place. Eh, paano yun, sir? 1 lang naman yun. Kung 1 lang ilalagay mo, class, magiging 1/10 lang yan. And we are dealing with 1,000. So, you're going to add 2 zeros. Yan. So, that is 1,000th. 1,000th, rather. So, 10th, 100th, 1,000th. Do you get it? So, ano yung clue natin? Kaya 3 yung places niya. Yung 1,000, 3 yung 0. You get it? So that is 1,000. What if, okay, the shaded part is like, gawin natin to plus 15. Okay? 15. Let's say merong 15 na shaded parts. O, laki natin. 15. Okay. Kunwari, 15 yung shaded part. Kasi ang liliit na nga niya. So, how are we going to write it? So, dapat 3 decimal places pa rin siya. Ganito ko ba siya isusulat? 0.15? No. Because how are we going to read that? 1500ths. Kasi 2 decimal places lang siya. Kailangan, kung ilan yung zero nung parts na kinukuha mo, yun yung magiging decimal places. So, dadagdagan mo ngayon ng 0 dito sa unahan after ng decimal point. So, paano nyo siya babasahin? Yes, ano na siya? 15 thousandths with S. Dito kong ilalagay. Okay? So that is 15 thousandths. You get it? How about it this way? Another. Paano kung sir ko ang na-shaded na is madami na? Let's say nasa 250 na po. O nasa 255 rather. Let's say nasa 255 na yung naka-shade. Okay. So, ganun pa rin. 255 ilagay mo doon. Pero dito, since 3 decimal places na siya, as is na siya. 255. Tenth, hundredth, thousand. O tenths, hundredths, thousands. So, as is na siya. 200. So, paano nyo sa babasahin? So, when you are reading, basahin nyo lang muna yung number as if you are reading that number as a whole number. 255. Ganyan mo siya babasahin. Tapos dudugtungan mo lang siya kung anong place value niya, class. Kung ano yung parts niya. Ano ba yung parts niya? Thousands. Okay? Pag pinabasa ko sa inyo, class, will you please read the decimal part or the decimal? You're going to read 255 thousandths. You get it? 255 thousandths. It means that is 255 out of 1,000. Did you get it? Okay, nice. Now, look at this one. Ito na yung mag-i-explain, class, kung paano nangyayari yung decimal. Okay? So we have number sa left side and we have number on the right side. Alin dyan ang malaki? Siyempre, yung number na nasaan? Left side. Yun yung 17. Habang papunta ka dun sa left, palayo ka ng palayo, nagiging times 10 bigger yung number. Okay? Kaya nga sa whole number, di ba, we have 1, tens, 100, thousands. Okay? Pag ganun siya, yung pag-count, papunta dun. Now, may sa gitna nila, in the middle, there's a decimal point. And then we'll start with the decimal from, 5 going to the right most. So that is 10 times smaller habang papalayo siya. Okay? So if you look at it, yung number 5 muna yung tingnan ninyo, class. Diba this is 1/10 or tenths. Pero class, actually that is already 5/10. Kaya lang, ipinapakita lang yung magiging value niya. I-multiply mo na lang yung 5 times 1/10. Tapos yung sunod, yung 9, that is 1/100 or that is 9 hundredths. You get it? And then yung 1, that is 1/1000, that is 1,000. You get it now? So again, the number on the left side that is bigger than the number on the right side. Habang papalayo ka ng papalayo sa decimal point, papunta sa left, palaki ng palaki yung number. Kapag lumaya-layo ka naman, from the decimal point going to your right, papaliit ng papaliit yung number. So kung tatanungin kayo, alin yung mas malaki? 1/10 or 1/1000? Which is bigger? 1/10 or 1/1000? Mia?
1/10.
Intindihan. I'm so happy for that. hearing that. I'm so glad. Bakit? Kasi yung 1/10, nandito siya malapit sa point. Pag mas malapit sa point, mas malaki. Habang lumalayo sa point, yan, papalayo ng papalayo, katulad nito, itong 1/1000, lumiliit na yung value niya. You get it? That's the idea when we talk about decimal. That's different. Exactly different kapag papunta ka sa left. Kasi sa left naman, habang papalayo, mas lumalaki. Alam nyo naman yun kasi we are done with whole numbers. Mas malaki syempre yung 1, ito, sa 7 kasi this is, ang value ng 1 is 10, ito 7 lang siya. 10 plus 7, 17. Did you get it? That's how we understand decimal. Now, ito pa klaseng isang example natin, no? Dito natin makikita na yung number na nasa left side, that is whole number part. Hindi natin siya igagawing fraction. Ang magiging fraction dito ay yung mga number na nasa right. Yung decimal. Kaya nga yung decimal at fraction ay what? Different name. Kasi fraction, decimal, but they are similar in value. Did you get it? So when I write 15/1000, that is a fraction that is similar to 15 thousandths, which is a decimal. Okay. So, we're done. Actually, we are just visualizing class decimals. But we are not yet done with how we're going to identify the place value. Kasi ang pinaka-main purpose class of this lesson is to identify the place value and the value of the decimal. So, doon tayo pupunta. Ayan. So, we're going to use a place value chart para mas mabilis yung maunawaan. Okay. For a while. Makuha ko lang class yung file. Where are we now? Hindi. Okay. So this one. Okay. Look at this one, class. I-flash ko lang, ha. There you have it. So I'm going to flash it. Can you see that? Yes, this one. Okay. So the decimal place value chart. Look at that, class. We have the decimal line in the middle. Kung nakikita nyo, class, yung nasa baba, yun yung magiging value niya. Tapos, yung kapag ang pinapakuha sa inyo is place value, yun yung word. Kapag ang pinapakuha ay value, yun yung number. Tandaan, ha? Place value, word. Salita. Value, number. Did you get it? So, decimal line in the middle. So, decimal part on the right, and then the whole number on the left side. Tingnan nyo ito, ones. Doon muna ito sa whole number. Ones, so kaya siya 1. Tens, kaya siya 10. Hundreds, okay, kaya siya 100. Thousands, yun din naman. But in decimal part, you're going to write this way. 10, tapos lalagyan nyo ng THS. 100, lalagyan ng THS. So, pag binasa nyo na siya, tenths, hundreds, thousands, parang nagiging, nagiging silent D. 10,000s. So, ano yung kasunod? 100,000s. Millions. 10 millions. 100 millions. Papunta na doon. Mas lumiliit na siya. Kaya yung millions, mas maliit yun sa tenths. Okay? But in a whole number, syempre, mas malaki yung million sa ones. Look at the last decimal part. In fraction, that is 1 over 10, 1 over 1,000, 1 over 100 rather, 1 over 1,000, 1 over 10,000. Pero class, pag pinasulat ko sa inyo yung value ng decimal number, hindi nyo siya isusulat ng pa-fractional form. Isusulat nyo siya ng decimal. So, paano yon? Okay, this way. Okay? Yung 1 over 10, siyempre isusulat nyo siya as 0.1. Did you get it? Ayusin ko lang, class. Ay. Ulit pala naman. Ayan. You're going to write that as 0.1 kapag hiningi ko yung value. Okay, yung sunod, siyempre isusulat nyo sa as, okay, you're going to write as 0.01. Yan. Ito naman siya. The next one, you're going to write, okay, siyempre, 3 decimal places na yan kasi thousands na siya. Okay, so magdadagdag ka ng 0. Now, another is for 10,000ths. Same. Magdadagdag ka na ng 0 pa din. Yan. Ang ganyan na siya isusulat. Did you get it? So, we're going to read 1/10, 100, 1,000, 10, 1/10,000. Okay? Now, para mas maintindihan na class kung paano magsusulat ng number, we will go now to identifying the place value and value. Okay, sige. Dito ako mag-explain lang class sa PowerPoint para mabilis. Okay. So, let's say, ito yung number, 123. And then 6, 7, 5, 8. Okay. Let's say yun yung number. Okay, 123.6786758. So, paano siya ibabasahin? So, that is 123. Tapos yung period, hindi mo siya babasahin as point. Babasahin mo siya as end. 6,000. Okay. 758. Oh, ilan ba siya? Tenths, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s. 10,000s. So, ganyan naman siya babasahin, class. 123. Tapos yung decimal, highlight natin. Okay. Yung red ha. 123. And then end. 6,000. Babasahin mo muna siya as if you're reading a whole number. 6,750. 58. Okay. Tingnan nyo, class ha. Saka nyo idudugtong kung ano yung desired value niya. Kasi nga, depende yun sa kanyang number of decimal places. Ano bang kulay? Green na lang. Okay? So, 123 and 6,758. Pwede ka mag-pause kapag nagbabasa. 6,758, 10,000s. Okay? Did you get it? Now, okay, identify na tayo class ng place value. Unahin natin yung 6. Pag tinanong ko kayo, what is the place value of 6? So that is tenths. What is the place value of 7? That is hundreds. What is the place value of 5? That is thousands. How about 8? That is 10 thousandths. Okay? 6 tenths, 7 hundredths, 5 thousandths, 8 ten thousandths. Whole number, wag na muna tayo dun, class, ha? Kasi alam nyo na yun. 3 ones, ones to, itong 3. Yung 2 ay tens, yung 1 is hundreds. Kaya doon lang mo tayo mag-focus sa decimal. Tenths. So, ilagay ko siya, class, this way para mas maintindihan. Ha? So, yung sinulat ko, this is place value. Ano nga natin? I-align. Okay? So, that is place value. E paano kung ang iukunin natin is value? Eh, di ba kanina sinabi ko na isusulat nyo sa 0.1. Okay? Tapos dito, 0.01. Dito, 0.001. Here is 0.0001. Now, kung titignan nyo, class, sa value, meron na siyang number 6, 7, 5, 8. So, kailangan palitan mo yung 1 kung ano yung number na nandun. So, yung ito, magiging 6. Ito, magiging 7. Ito ay magiging 5. Ito ay magiging 8. You get it? So, pag binasa mo siya, that is 6 tenths, 7 hundredths, 5 thousandths, 8 ten thousandths. So, pag binasa mo siya ng buo, 6,758, ang pinakakukunin mo yung pinakadulo, 10 thousandths. Pag binabasa. Okay? Sige. Let's have another. Insert. Sige nga. Okay, I'm going to write a number. So I will call someone to answer. Okay. What is the place value? I'm talking about place value. Place value of 8. Anyone? What is the place value of 8? Akiko? Ay, for a while, nawala, class.
Tenths.
What?
Tenths.
Hindi ko narinig.
Hundreds.
Very good. Hundreds. That is correct. Nice. Galing. O paano pag tinanong ko, what is the value of 8? Aliyah?
800.
Okay. Paano siya isusulat, Aliyah? Pakitype nga sa chat box. Aliyah, will you please type it sa chat box natin? How we're going to write it? Yung 800s. Very good. Okay, I'm so glad na tama yung sagot ninyo. So, yung place value niya, class, okay, ay tama si Akiko, that is hundreds. Yung kanyang value, tama naman si Aliyah, that is 0.08. Okay? Nice. So, nakuha nyo agad. I'm so happy. Okay. So, yun yung sagot. Place value is hundreds. Value is 0.08. Or, how are we going to read? 8 hundredths. So, hindi na ako makakarinig, class, ng 0.08. 1.2. Wala nang ganun, ha? It should be 1 and 2 tenths. Okay? Halimbawa, may ganito. 1 and 2 tenths. Hindi siya 1.2. Although, pwede naman siyang sabing 1.2 pag mabilis ang pinaka-type. But if we're going to have an examination, as sinabi ko, read the decimal, you're going to read that way. I mean the proper way. 1 and 2 tenths. Did you get it? Okay, next. Same number muna tayo. Okay, kung ano yung naka-red, yun yung bibigyan nyo ng place value and value. Okay, so I'm going to call Percy. You're going to give the place value of the highlighted number. And you're going to give the value Miel. Go, Percy. What is the place value of 4?
10,000ths.
Very good. That is correct. That is 10,000ths. Okay? Correct. How about Miel? What is the value? Pag nagsabi ko ng value, sabihin yung pinaka-eksakto as how we read that and then pakitype sa chat box kung paano isusulat. Go, Miel. What is the value? Is Miel there? How about Ara? Ara, what is the value? Wala din si Ara. Okay. Anyone who can give the value? Yes, Abam. What is the value, Abam? Anyone? Any other answer? Sino pwedeng sumagot? What is... Yes, Sophia. Go, Sophia.
10,000ths.
Again. Will you please repeat? Again, Sophia, will you please repeat? Hindi ko masyadong rinig yung unang number. Sige, pakitype mo na. Just type it. Sophia. Type your answer now. Okay. Nawala si Sophia? Nawala? Nawala din. Na-disconnect din. Oh, Ara, what is the value? What is the value of 4? What is the value of the highlighted number? Yung naka-red color. Ara, what is that? Naglalag si anyone? Sige, para mabilis tayo. Diana, go. What is the value?
10,000.
Yes. How will you please type? Will you please write your answer sa ating chat box? Let me see. That's correct. 10,000ths. Very good. Correct. So you're going to write that this way. 0.0004. Okay? So, nasusundan lang naman class kung ano yung decimal places yung original number. Kaya lang gagawin mong lahat 0 yung nasa tabi niya. Di ba? Simple as that. Okay? Now, let's proceed. Okay, how about if the highlighted number is... Okay, this is easy because the highlighted is 7. Okay, anyone? What is the place value? Raise your hand. Dana, what is the place value?
10.
Yes, 10. With S kasi 7 naman yun. Correct. Tama yun, with S. And what is the value? What is the value? Yes, Santara?
7/10.
Very good. Will you please write it now? Type it on our chat box. We're going to write 7/10. Very good. That is correct. So, that is 0.7. Sinasabi ko lang class up kasi nga para masundan ninyo. Pero, how are we going to read that? 7/10. Okay? Okay, now, another exercises. Nagbibigay ako ng another number. So, challenging talaga class yung ating pag sa class kasi ito, madaling isulat sa board and we can easily, syempre kasi yung kasunod ng 10,000s, 100,000s, and then sunod ng 100,000s, millions. So, gano'n naman yun, di ba? So, ibahin natin yung number. Pagawin natin 1, 2, 6, 5, 4 ulit to. 5, 9. Okay. So, let me see. Sige nga, pakibigay. Will you please give the place value of the number that I'm going to ask you to give? Place value, ha? Okay. Eman, what is the place value of the number in red? What is the place value? Eman. Yung naka-red. Red one. What is the place value? Nawawala din si Eman. Hannah, what is the place value of number in red?
600.
Okay. Wait. I'm asking for place value first. Place value. One more, Hannah. Place value. That is hundreds. Okay. How about the number in green? Color green. Number in color green. Yes. Let's have. Yes, Sophia. Go, Sophia.
Tens.
Correct. How about the number in color purple? Yes, Jester.
Thousandths.
Okay, and the last number, the number in yellow-green. Abam?
10,000s.
Correct. Okay, so we are done. I mean, do you have any question when it comes to identifying the place value? None so far. Now, place value. 2 words. Place value. Kapag hiningi yung place value, ang lagi niyong tatandaan, class, ay ang isusulat ko dito word. Yung salita. Tenths. As in tenths. T-E-N-T-H-S. Kapag ang hiningi sa akin is value. One word lang. Value. Ang isusulat ko dito is number. Do you get it? Is it clear? Yes. Okay, so let's give the value now of this number. Okay. So yun muna tayo sa 1. So yung value niya ay yung 9 kasi naka-yellow green na tayo. 0 and 0, 0, 0, 9. Get it? Okay, doon tayo sa purple. Yung value ng purple. So that is 0.00 4. Okay, purple din natin para makita nyo. And then the next one, what is the value of the 6th one? Or the 6, not the number 6 there. Okay. And lastly, the value of 1 is it clear? Nakuha nyo na? Kung paano nyo binibigay class yung place value, ganoon din yung value niya. Kasi di ba sabi nyo yung value ng 9 is 10,000s? So yung value niya is 9 10,000s. Place value of 4 is thousands. the value is 4 thousandths. 600ths, 600ths. And then 1/10. Clear? So ito lang pangamba. Huwag magkakapalit yung place value sa value. Kasi pag nagkapalit yon, you'll get a wrong answer. Did you get it? Kasi yun yung magiging exercises ninyo later. Kapag when we are already done with our discussion. So you are going to write the place value of the number, and at the same time, you're going to write the value. It can be like varied direction. There are times that the desired value na hinihingi is naka-underline. So, if it is underlined, kung ano yung naka-underline na number, yun yung ibibigay nyo. Okay, there are times na tatanungin lang, what is the place value of the digit 5? O, ganon. So, kailangan yung ibigay. What else? Okay. Ganun lang naman. How are you going to change fraction to decimal and decimal to fraction when we talk about powers of 10? Madali lang naman kasi mag-change kasi nasa powers of 10 pa lang naman tayo. Okay? Alright. So, next time ko na ituturo class yung paano kapag magkakaroon ng whole number. Kasi there are possibilities such way. Okay, pwede ko nang i-present ngayon pero kung hindi nyo pa siya makukuha, it's okay. But what if in decimal that is 32 over 10? Okay? So hindi mo naman siya pwedeng isulat ng 0.32 kasi that is 32 hundredths. So paano yung 32 over 10? Kailangan 32 tenths. Did you get my point? 32 over 10 eh. So paano siya magiging tenths lang yung kanyang decimal or yung kanyang denominator is 10. Hindi mo siya pwedeng isulat ng 32 hundredths. So paano siya isusulat? Ganyan. 3 and 2 tenths. Did you get it? Kuha? Now, dun muna tayo class sa writing in Word. Okay, take note of the spelling class. I-flash ko ulit kasi you're going to write decimals in words. Or you're going to spell tenths. Nakasulat naman pala siya dito. Ito na siya. Basta ang idadagdag yun lang, THS. THS. 100, tapos dadagdagan lang ng THS. 1,000, THS. Kasi I'm very particular with spelling class. Kapag maling spelling, I'm going to mark it wrong. Kaya we need to write the correct spelling. 10 thousandths. You get it? Take note of the spelling, ha? Ang nadagdag lang dito ito. Ayan. Now, let's proceed to writing in words. Okay? Patingin kung plus ng ano isusulat. Let's say yan. Paano siya isusulat? So, 1, tapos yung decimal, and 2 tenths. So, yung decimal, naka-red, and yun. Ito yun. Tapos, ito yung magdilano. Okay? So, that is 1 and 2 tenths. Next. Paano yan? Susulat. So, 34, and 1 thousandths. Okay, 34 and 1 thousandths. Okay? You get it? Because this is important, how we write decimals in words. Because if we know how to write, we know how to read. Okay? If you know how to write a decimal, 1 and 2/10, then we know how to read it. 1 and 2/10. 34 and 1 thousandths. Okay, let's try. Will you please get your show me board? I'm going to give the number. I'm going to give the number, the numerals, and then you're going to write in words, at least 5. And then later, vice versa. I'm going to dictate the decimal, and then you're going to write in word, in number, or in numeral. Okay, first, how are you going to write this in word? Nasa chat box. 7.5. Pakitingnan sa chat box. Ready? Begin. How are you going to write 7 and 7.5 in words?
Done.
Done na po.
Done.
Done?
Done.
Okay.
Done.
20 na lang kayo, class. I'm so bothered kasi some of your classmates are like having some internet connection issues. Okay, go. Will you please flash your answer in 3, 2, 1, go. 7 and 5/10. Okay, I said the spelling. You need to write it correctly. But as I can see naman, lahat ng nagpa-flash is tama yung spelling. So, Sophia, correct. Dana, Diana, Aliyah, Akiko, Amer. Pag hindi ko pa natatawag yung pangalan mo ng ibaba. Hannah, Eman, Amika, hindi ko makita ng clear kasi nakalagay siya sa ano. Okay, Hannah is correct. Okay, how about others? Drag po yung camera ni Toby. Okay. So pag pag hindi kayang i-flash sa screen or sa monitor, na lang, paano ko ba makukuha? Paano ko malalaman kung tama yung sagot mo? Kung hindi makapag-flash. Anyway, so you're correct. You're going to write at 7. And what is that? 5/10. Okay, next. Next. Okay. Nasa ano na? Nasa chat box. Go. When you write like mga 23, yung mga 2 digit, mayroon siyang hyphen na ginagamit ha. 75, 36, laging may hyphen. Pero kapag mga tulad ng 12, wala yun. Kahit 2 digits. Pero yung mga 20, 1, 22, 31. Done? Okay. In count of 5, you're going to flash your answer. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 13, okay? Dapat tama yung spelling ng 13, ha? Okay, tama naman. Nakita ko, that's correct. 13 and 73 hundredths. Okay, 73 hundredths. Yes, lahat na nag-flash, tama ang sagot. 13 and 73 hundredths. Okay, 13, 73 hundredths. Alright, correct. So, pakilagyan ng point. So, 13, how do you spell? And, ano nga yun? 13 and 73 hundredths. Okay, next. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, 2.597. $2.597. Done? Not yet.
Done na po. Sir, nakamute po kayo.
Oo nga. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Halika, yung pagkaka-spelling mo na 97 mo, hindi 7 yung nasulat mo. Check mo. Halika. Okay. Okay. 2 and 500. Kapag sa 500, wag yung lagyan ng hyphen ha. 500. Pag 500, as in, isusulat nyo lang siya as 500. Walang hyphen. Doon lang kayo sa laging 2-digit. Diba? 97. 92. O yun na, lagyan nyo siya. Mika, pinutol mo pa yung 2 eh. Pinutol mo pa yung 90. Hiniwalay mo pa yung Y. Kapag nagka-cut kayo ng number, is wag yung paghihiwalayin yung letter doon sa kabuuan ng word. Okay, that is correct. 2 and 597 thousandths. Okay. Correct. Okay, o lagyan na ng points sa taas. Upper right. Meron na tayong 3 points. I believe. Okay, next. Okay. 0.0007.
Done.
Okay, let's check in 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Sure answer. Okay. Yan, madali lang to kasi ano lang siya. You will just write 7 and then wala nang end kasi wala namang wala tayong number na nasa right, nasa left. So tuloy-tuloy lang siya. 7, 10 thousandths. 7, 10 thousandths. Pagkatanggal mo akiko yung hyphen, hindi mo kailangan lagyan ng hyphen yung 7 and then hyphen 10 thousandths. No need. Just write 7, 10 thousandths. Okay? Correct. Okay, go. Write your score. Okay, next. Last na ba to? Last. This is the last number, I believe. Go.
Done na po.
Done. Okay, in count of 5, we'll check. Madali lang naman to. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Ayan. So, kaya binigay ko to class kasi possible dito kayo magkakamali kasi nga 1 lang yung nakalagay eh. Pero if you're going to look at it, di ba two ano siya, decimal places? So, pag 2 decimal places, ano dapat? Tenths or hundreds? Di ba? Dapat hundreds yung ilalagay nyo. Kaya ang magiging sagot dyan is 12 and 1 hundredths. Okay, 12 and 1 hundredths. Do you get it? Kasi magiging tenth lang siya kapag 1 decimal place lang. Katulad nito, 12.1. Oh, yun yung 12 and 1 tenth. Do you get it? Kaya lang 2 decimal places na siya. Kaya magiging 12 and 1 hundredths. Okay. Now, I believe meron na kayong 5 points. So, tuloy-tuloy natin kasi ilalagay nyo sa chat box mamaya or sa GC natin kung nakakuha kayo ng 10. Isang ano lang tayo. Tuloy-tuloy na to. This time, I'm going to dictate. Ako yung magsasabi ng word, kayo yung magsusulat ng numeral. Did you get it? So, dadahan-dahanin ko naman. Okay, number 1. Question number 1. Okay. 125 and 125 and 2 hundredths. 125 and 2 hundredths. So somehow nagpo-pause ako para makuha nyo na yung sinasabi ko is I'm talking about the place value of the number. Okay, are you done? Yeah.
Done.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. 125 and 200. Okay, correct. So, yes, that is correct. Tama lahat. Next. Okay. Huwag muna magsusulat basta ha, kasi pakinggan nyo muna ako. 123 thousandths. 123 thousandths.
Done.
Okay, 123 thousandths. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, ayan. Meron lang ako nakitang parang isang mali. Ayan, pero i-clear ko to ha, class. So, since thousands yung sinabi ko, dapat 3 digit or 3 decimal places. So, tama yung pagkakasulat nyo ng 0.123. Very good. 0.123. Tapos, tama na naglalagay ng 0 lagi kapag walang whole number. You get it? Laging may 0 doon sa pwesto ng whole number. So 0.123. Okay, next number 8. Okay, how are we going to write? Okay, 1,000 and 1,000. 1,000 and 1,000. I'm actually saying it in a very slow manner, but as we go on with our discussion, mapapansin nyo, bibilis na ako kapag mga next meeting na. Ngayon, minabagalan ko muna yung 1,000 and
Done.
1,000. Pero dapat talaga yan pag binabasa. 1,000 and 1,000. Did you get it? Okay, go. 3, 2, 1. Show it. There you have it. So, 1,000 and 1,000. May nakita kong mali. So, paano dapat siya isusulat? So, sinabi ko 1,000, di ba? So, that is a whole number. Okay? And 1,000. Ay, ayun. Tama ang sagot. 1,000.001. 1,000 and 1,000. 1,000. Okay. Yung kay Percy, patingin Percy. Naglalag na si Percy. Medyo ano yung connection niya. But anyway, please, balikan niyo yung video na to kapag medyo hindi pa clear. Lalo mamaya pag nagsasagot na ng exercises. Okay, number 9. How are we going to write? 256 and 1,283 10,000s. Again, 256 and 1,283 10,000s.
Done.
Okay, and 3, 2, 1, go. 256, okay, that is correct. Isusulat nyo muna yung whole number, which is 256, and then we have a point, and then you're going to write 1,283. So 4-digit naman siya, kaya hindi nyo na kailangan magdagdag ng 0. That is already, what? Read as 10,000. So 256.1283 is correct. O, tandaan na, 1 decimal place, tenths. 2 decimal places, hundreds. 3 decimal places, thousands. 4 decimal places, 10,000s. So, pag naging 5 na siya, 100,000s. Pag naging 6, millions. Kaya pag nakakita kayo ng ganitong number, 0,000,001, or going to read that, that is 1 millionth. Yan, paano yung spelling? Ganun pa rin. Basta dagdagan lang ng TH. Million, tapos TH. Okay, last number. Okay, the question is 7 10,000s. 7 10,000s.
Done na po.
Another clue. Kapag walang narinig na end, walang whole number yun, ha? Walang end, eh. Okay? In 3, 2, 1, go. Show me your answer. Okay, so very good. I'm happy. Most of you got the correct answer. Parang wala pa akong nakikitang mali. Wala pa nga. So, 3 0, tapos merong 7. Okay, tama din. Even Carl is correct. Ang linaw ng camera ni Carl. Okay, Jaisley. Santara, okay. And that's correct, 0007. There you have it. So we're done with our show me board exercise. Who got 10? Let me see your hand. 10, 9. Ali only got 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay. Please type your score sa ating GC later. Your name plus your score. Your name and then opposite is your score. Okay? Para may record ko din. Anyway, alam ko naman na kung sino yung nakakuha ng highest, 9, 8. So, hindi nyo na mababago yung score. This time, I'm going to give now the exercises. So, ang sasagutan natin, class, yung book na mismo yung gagamitin natin. Yung book. Okay? So, paki-open nyo yung book ninyo sa page 131. Okay. So, look at letter B. Susulat ko din naman to sa GC, pero tingnan nyo na yung B kung anong gagawin. Letter B, you're going to write the digit kung saan siya nagko-correspond. Okay? Halimbawa, yung 4, saan siya ilalagay? Yung 2, saan? Yung 5 and 1, how are you going to put that? Okay? Okay, next. Check your understanding. You're going to read and answer each question orally. Kaya nga lang, orally siya sasabihin, kaya hindi natin siya masasagutan sa book. So next time na natin siya sasagutan. Halimbawa, does a decimal name a part of a whole? Explain your answer. So doon na tayo sa practice. Doon sa practice, yung fraction na nandyan, ilalagay nyo siya as decimal. You get it? Okay. Next, letter B. Write each decimal in fraction form naman. The opposite naman yung gagawin. Sir, paano po yung kasi may nakalagay po dito na 18 and 607. Ayan. Paano po yun? Okay, pag nahirapan, dun sa merong 18.607, 5.34, pwedeng wag munang gawin. Kasi, kaya hindi ko muna siya diniscuss ngayon kasi baka naman mabombarded na kayo ng many things. I-skip nyo muna yung sa tingin ninyo ay hindi ko pa naituro. Okay? Pero kung kayang sagutan, why not? Naiintindihan na. Kasi kanina somehow in-explain ko na. Now, name the place value of each underlined digit and then give the value of the digit, yung letter C. Halimbawa, yung underlined digit is 2. So, ano yung place value niya? Ano yung value? Tapos, nagbibigay pa rin sa class ng whole number. So, ibibigay nyo rin kapag whole number. Next, write each decimal in words. Okay? Na-discuss ko na rin naman. And then, yung letter E, kapag sinabing write in standard or decimal form, ilalagay nyo yung numeral. Yung number. And then, pag sinabing yung letter F, skip na yung letter F. Hindi na natin sasagutan. So, we'll proceed now to, okay, quiz. Yung quiz, same. Pag may mga question na hindi class i-skip muna. Pag hindi sure sa sagot, kasi i-clarify ko pa yung may mga question na katulad ng 25/8, 2.32. Paano siya isusulat sa fraction? Di ba? So, hindi ko pa siya na ibibigay lahat. Apply. Okay. Underline the decimal in each sentence, then write the decimal in words. Halimbawa, the elevation of Mayon volcano in Albay is 2 and 46 hundredths kilometers. So, isusulat nyo siya in word. Pero i-underline nyo muna yung decimal. And then letter B, use a map up or find a distance calculator on the internet to find the distance between indicated places in kilometers. Write your answers in the blanks. Write your source. Pwede kayong maghanap lang sa Google Map. Halimbawa, the distance of Rizal Monument in Ermita, Manila from Andres Bonifacio Monument in Rotonda, Caloocan. So, pwede nyo siyang i-type. The distance of your house from your school, kung hindi kayang i-measure, pwede kayong mag-estimate. Okay? Gaano nga kalayo yung Pwede kayong magtanong class sa inyong, kung sino yung pwede matanong nyo na adult sa bahay. Ano po kaya yung distance natin from school? Okay? Pwede kayong magtanong. The distance of your house from the nearest government hospital. Kaya lang wala naman tayong hospital dito sa atin. So, na lang, class. Estimate nyo na lang yung sa Tagaytay, ospital ng Tagaytay. Okay? Magkano kalayo. Magtanong kayo sa inyong tatay o sa nanay o kung sino yung pwede matanong. Estimate lang muna. Okay? The distance of your house from the nearest public market. Kung kaya nyo class gumamit ng map, mas maganda. Okay? Kasi maano nyo siya, maano talaga yung eksaktong distance. Okay. That's it. So, isusulat ko rin ito mamaya sa GC. Now, okay, that's the end of our discussion with regards to decimal, place value, and writing decimal up to 10,000ths. Okay. So, next time, we'll have rounding. Magra-round off tayo. Kasi class sa decimal, paano kung gusto mong isulat na mabilis, ang daming decimal numbers. Halimbawa, yung distance ninyo sa bahay ninyo hanggang sa market list is 1.28968 7. Ang dami. So, paano natin siya babasahin na mabilis? So through rounding off number. Okay? Right? So, kailan ang deadline? So, class supposedly will meet at 10, kaya lang we'll have, I am assigned to go to, so we'll i-change natin ang schedule. Okay? Yung ESP natin. So, instead of having ESP ng 10, so gagawin na yung sa mathematics. And then, I will announce kung kailan natin i-discuss ang ESP. Probably, madidiscuss natin siya bukas after MAPE. Kasi class, change din yung schedule ng MAPE for this week only kasi class madami lang kami class inaayos ngayon ng mga modules and things na kailangan ilagay sa ano. So, may mga dumadating na delivery and then we need to fix and then that is why si Ma'am Joanne ay imimit kayo bukas sa MAPE. Dapat ngayon yun. Kaya lang ay tinawag din siya para mag-ayos ng mga naka-assign sa kanya na modules. Kaya kailangan na class maayos kasi nga nagkakaubusan. Baka maubusan tayo ng file ng modules. And yung ESP, i-change din natin ang schedule. Okay, we'll have it like kung ang inyong magiging MAPE is morning, morning na din yung ESP after MAPE class. Okay? So, ang gagawin nyo lang ngayon is magsagot sa mathematics. Class, Monday nyo nakukunin or i-retrieve yung inyong portfolios together with modules. Sasamahan ko pa rin ang module. Kasi class, kasama kayo sa counted na may module. Sayang din naman, di ba? Pwede nyo rin naman siyang ma-browse at magamit. Kasi kung hindi ko ibibigay, saan ko ilalagay yon? Sayang, meron talagang naka-allot para sa inyo na modules kahit naka-online class kayo. Okay? So, pwede nyo pa rin siyang tingnan. Katulad nung sa diniscuss natin ngayon, meron dun mga exercises na pwede nyo sagutan. Tapos, para ma-check niyo sa sarili niyo kung talagang kung marunong na kayo, nagagawa nyo na siya, pwede nyo siyang i-correct. Kayo yung mismo mag-check. Kaya nga siya may keto correction sa likod. Okay? Yung class yung hindi naiintindihan ng iba na bakit daw ang nag-check is yung bata. Kasi class, this module, learner's material, this is self-learning module. So, ibig sabihin, you're the one answering it, but you are the one also to check. To measure or to know kung talagang natutunan nyo na yung lesson. Did you get it? Ganun talaga yung purpose ng module. Kayo talaga yung mag-check. Tapos kayo yung mag-assess kung, ay, alam ko na to. So, pwede na akong mag-move sa next lesson. Okay? So that's it. See you next time, class. I will just update you on when to meet sa ating ESP class. But mas probably, hindi naman next week. Ngayong week, magkakaroon tayo ng ESP. See you next time. Bye. Kung may tanong pa pala, class. Do you have any questions?
Sir, ano oras po yung ng module sa Monday?
Monday na rin. Yes. Kasama na lahat.
Anong oras po?
We'll start 7 hanggang... Yes, we'll start 7 to 8.
Okay po, thank you.
Pero pwede pa naman kumuha ng 8 to 9. Nandun pa naman ako. So sige, sabihin nyo na lang 7 to 9. Okay? So lahat na nandun na. Yung inyong notebooks na na-checkan, yung inyong mga, tawag doon, yung inyong mga portfolios na I am so happy yung iba na ang ganda ng kanilang portfolios, talagang may mga per subject silang nakaganon. Okay. At mabilis kong ma-check kung meron siyang ESP, may math. Okay, see you class. Bye.
Bye po. Thank you, sir.
Right. See you next time.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye po. Thank you po.